Tesla Semitruck Motorhome. An innovative idea for the future, the Tesla Semitruck Motorhome integrates the practicality of electric power with the opulence of a recreational vehicle. This version of the RV, which is based on the Tesla Semi, aims to provide a zero-emissions vacation while still providing a roomy and well-appointed living area. The Semitruck Motorhome's estimated 900 kilowatt-hour battery pack gives it an estimated range of more than 500 miles on a single charge. This revolutionary vehicle excels at both long-distance travel and performance. Even when carrying a full load, it can reach 60 miles per hour in under 20 seconds. The price of a Tesla Semi is expected to range from $150,000 to $180,000, with the exact amount depending on the size of the battery. This amount would increase with the motorhome conversion, but the information we have does not reveal the exact price of the Tesla Semitruck motorhome. Romao Prototype. Revolutionizing the idea of caravanning, the Romao Prototype is a revolutionary mobile living experience. It's a state-of-the-art travel trailer that comes with a patented design that allows it to be easily towed and then expands into a spacious living area with the simple touch of a button. Rotating the cabin away from the exterior shell exposes a deck that allows for indoor-outdoor living and increases the usable space by 70%. The Romao provides an automated setup for easy camping and has classic design and high-end materials. Plans call for the production vehicle to be marginally longer to increase storage capacity, but otherwise, the inside is planned to be as practical and comfortable as possible. Those who enjoy traveling but don't want to give up any of home's conveniences will love this top-secret creation, which has a patio that serves as both an outdoor kitchen and eating space. Heimer Venture S. Designed for venturing into unexplored territory, the Heimer Venture S is a revolutionary recreational vehicle that combines the looks and durability of a loft apartment with unparalleled versatility. The pop-up roof features a number of features, including a clever kitchen with a stylish worktop, a wide sun deck with panoramic views, a back parlor with a genuine staircase, and a washroom with a deep sink and a toilet. All of these features are included in the roof. A Mercedes-Benz Sprinter that is equipped with 190 horsepower, all-wheel drive, off-road suspension, and an LED light bar is the engine that drives the Venture S. Users have the ability to remotely operate all systems through the use of the Heimer Connect app and the Smart Connect unit. Pre-orders are now being accepted, and delivery are scheduled to begin in 2023. This product is perfect for tourists who are looking for a luxurious and fashionable experience. There is a price tag of $225,000 for the Heimer Venture S. Eco Capsule. Built for off-grid life, the Eco Capsule is a tiny house that combines modern conveniences with space-saving architecture. With its low-noise wind turbine, up to 750 watts, and high-efficiency solar cells, 880 watts, it can generate electricity continuously. Not only does the Eco Capsule's one-of-a-kind form cut down on heat loss, but it also collects and filters rainwater to perfection. With its unique layout and comfortable furnishings, this home is ideal for individuals who want to live far from the hustle and bustle of city life. It can accommodate one or two persons. From a temporary home base to a permanent office or research facility, it has many potential uses. Starting at €69,900, the more inexpensive Space by Eco Capsule model offers greater living space, while the original Eco Capsule model starts at €99,900. The Space by Eco Capsule starts at €49,900, about $55,000, for the more stripped-down model. Adria Sonic Supreme. A state-of-the-art campervan, the Adria Sonic Supreme is perfect for opulent road trips. 3 different layouts are available: the 700DC, 700DL, and 700SL. All 3 are around 7.5 meters long and can accommodate 4 to 5 people with ease. On entering, you will find a roomy and fashionable interior with plenty of storage and high-end fittings. With its strong engine, the Sonic Supreme guarantees a smooth journey, and its well-appointed kitchen and comfy sleeping room make it easy to call it home away from home. You can expect to pay around €110,500, about £118,390 for the Adria Sonic Supreme, while the precise price could change based on your region and the interior design you choose. The high price tag is a reflection of the high quality and luxurious amenities offered by this park model RV. Look no further than the Adria Sonic Supreme if you're after a relaxing and opulent journey around the globe. TailorMade Tour Truck. A cutting-edge mobile golf store and player support vehicle, the TailorMade Tour Truck is a remarkable piece of equipment. It has 12 separate lockers for players and measures 42 feet in length and 22 tons. For your pleasure and meetings, there are 4 4K HDR TVs and a 2-zone sound system inside. In order to meet the equipment needs of players, the truck's workshop has been upgraded with several loft lie machines, shaft cutters, and a specialized grasping station. Its collection is nothing short of remarkable, featuring 1,500 shafts, 1,200 TP5 and TP5X golf balls, 1,000 grips, 700 club heads, and 500 caps and t-shirts. The PGA Tour has never seen anything like this enormous truck before, with 2 levels of meeting space and 2 slide-out pods. TailorMade's dedication to helping elite players is embodied in this truck, which is more than just a vehicle. Hitch Hotel. A game changer for those who are looking for adventure is the Hitch Hotel. This forward-thinking trailer transforms from a space-saving block into a comfortable room for 2 people to sleep in. Due to its lightweight construction and the fact that it can be attached to the majority of vehicles, the Hitch Hotel is an ideal vehicle for impromptu vacations. Simply park the trailer, expand it, and relax in the convenience of your very own mobile hotel room. This will allow you to transform any roadside into your very own personal oasis. Taking in the sights and sounds of nature, inhaling the crisp air, and taking in the splendor of your surrounds are all valuable activities. Despite the fact that the official website does not provide any precise information regarding the cost, it highlights the advantages of avoiding hotel expenditures. There are news stories that offer a pricing point that makes the Hitch Hotel a cost-effective option to typical hotels. Nomad Pro Caner. You gotta check out this cool new vehicle from Mitsubishi Fuso called the Nomad Pro Caner. It's basically a super versatile 2-wheel drive mobile workspace and living space. Perfect for all you digital nomads out there who want to blend your work and personal life on the road. It's built on this tough Fuso Caner chassis, so you know it's built to last. But the best part is how they've turned it into this awesome combo of an office and a little home sweet home. You got a bed and a workstation all in one, so you can just pick up and go work from anywhere. The price range is pretty wide, from around $7,700 all the way up to $32,000, depending on the specific model and features you want. This thing is like the ultimate setup for the modern digital nomad lifestyle. You got your mobile office space that's going to keep you productive, but also give you that freedom to work from anywhere. IO Camper Truck. You know those big, bulky RVs that are a pain to haul around? Well, there's this really cool thing called the IO Camper Truck that's going to change the game. Basically, it's this super lightweight camper body that you can just slap on the back of your pickup truck, like a Ford Ranger, Toyota Hilux, or Volkswagen. And get this, you can do it in just 15 minutes. No fuss, no hassle. It only weighs around 450 kilos, so it's not going to weigh down your truck too much. The best part is, when you get to your campsite, you just unfold this thing, and it expands to give you a ton of space inside. It's awesome for us outdoor junkies who want the comforts of home without lugging around a huge RV. And get this, it's not just for trucks. You can use it with all kinds of vans too, without having to do a bunch of crazy modifications. It's like the Swiss Army knife of campers, super versatile. The base model is going for around €23,000, which is about 26 grand. Crawler Otag 620. A beast of an off-road camper, the Crawler Otag 620 was designed specifically for venturing off the usual path. Imagine a beautiful living environment that is situated on top of a sturdy aluminum exoskeleton. This is what the Otag 620 is all about. The purpose of this expedition vehicle is not simply to survive in the wilderness. Rather, it is to thrive in it. You are able to handle hard terrain without losing comfort, thanks to the aluminum body, which is both lightweight and highly sturdy. When compared to other campers, the Otag 620 treats the interior as if it were your personal design playground. It is delivered with a blank canvas, ready to be changed into your own adventure home, complete with all of the conveniences that you desire. The Otag 620, which has a starting price of approximately $138,000, is an investment in both the highest possible off-road capability and a tailored living experience for adventurers who travel the world. Mercedes RV Armadillo Conqueror T. For the most daring and adventurous among us, Mercedes built the RV Armadillo Conqueror T, a sturdy and plush camper. This vehicle is an engineering and design marvel, providing unrivaled off-road capability and comfort. And it is priced at almost 10.88 million yuan. The vehicle is equipped with a Mercedes-Benz Arocs 8x8 chassis and has a 578 horsepower engine, paired with a 12-speed AMT drivetrain. The Conqueror T can handle any terrain thanks to its 14.00R20 Michelin XSL off-road tires. The Conqueror T has a private bedroom with a queen bed, a closet, and a kitchen with separate facilities for washing hands and feet. A power-operated terrace with an outdoor kitchen and couch is available, and the living space may be transformed into a twin bed as well. The Armadillo automatic hybrid electric supply system and 600-liter fuel tank make it ideal for extended trips without sacrificing luxury or the environment. Marathon Coach 1379. Sophisticated and built on a Prevost X345 chassis, Marathon Coach 1379 is a 2024 model year vehicle. It has the latest conveniences, like a 20-kilowatt Kohler generator with Autogen, a Girard automatic awning package, and Crestron audio with surround sound, in addition to a spacious double-slide design for living areas. For added peace of mind when traveling, the coach has Marathon's proprietary TechLink electrical system and Freedom Plus sewer system. For that added level of seclusion and luxury, there is a separate rear bathroom with a step-up. Made with meticulous attention to detail, this coach exemplifies Marathon's dedication to producing high-quality bus conversions that prioritize luxury. An identical model from the same year, Coach 1390, retails for $3,032,713. However, the actual price of Coach Hash 1379 is not disclosed. Marathon Coach 1379 serves a certain elite clientele, as shown above. Airstream Estream concept. Electric travel trailers of the future will look like the revolutionary Airstream Estream concept. The parent company of Airstream, Thor Industries, developed the Estream concept, which is known for its sustainable designs, creative features, and suite of new technology. Designed to be a mobile home, it provides all the conveniences of home, with the added freedom to go wherever you want. Impressive features include a large solar rooftop, high-voltage batteries, and cutting-edge electronic systems that provide the feeling of being on the grid even when you're not. Modern chassis technology, cutting-edge aerodynamics, and a brand new power system with cutting-edge batteries, motors, and control systems are all standard on the Estream concept. It has unrivaled performance and safety, is 22 feet long, and can sleep 4 people. Since the Estream is still a concept at this point, Airstream has not revealed any concrete pricing information. Motorhomes Grand Empire 26T. This Motorhomes Grand Empire 26T reimagines what it means to live a luxurious lifestyle while traveling. This behemoth weighs in at 26 tons and is equipped with a 530 horsepower engine, making it ideal for effortless highway cruising. It is built on a powerful Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis. The Grand Empire motorhome, in contrast to the majority of motorhomes, is equipped with a third axle, which not only improves the vehicle's stability and mobility, but also opens up the interior to a huge living space. You will be able to camp off the grid for extended periods of time if you have a smart energy system that guarantees self-sufficiency. Despite the fact that official pricing information is not available online, the Grand Empire's pedigree and features indicate that it has a starting price that is significantly higher than €800,000, which places it squarely within the category of ultra-luxury coach buses.